Stampers, I am here with a sneak peek of the new items from our holiday mini catalog. This catalog is going to be available to you in August, but as a demonstrator, I got to order early, and I picked some autumn items, Halloween, fall, really pretty things, and I just wanted to show them to you. So with that, let me go ahead and get started. Before I get started with the catalog stuff though, Paper Pumpkin this month has an add-on, and I wanted to share with you what that add-on looks like. So Paper Pumpkin is our monthly subscription kit, craft in a box. For those of you who just want something simple to do each month, but you don't want all this crafting material, they have the Paper Pumpkin. And the Paper Pumpkin this month comes with an add-on. So you have to add this separately to your Paper Pumpkin order. It's there on the Paper Pumpkin page. Let me turn these around. Here we go. I mean, these are full size 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cards. And they're beautiful. They look like night skies, don't they? Well, the Paper Pumpkin for July is night skies. It's summer nights. It's fireflies and fireworks and things like that. So this is an add-on for those of you who do Paper Pumpkin, or if you don't and you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, that's a really cool thing. So, hey, good morning, Kim. Good morning, Dorothy. I know this is a surprise Facebook Live. I just wanted to show you some of the new goodies. All right, this one is so cool. This is envelope. So it's a die cut, and you can, you know how you make pretty paper on the back side of your envelope flap? So here are the dies so that it's perfect with a pretty scalloped edge, and even a 3 by 3 envelope here. So that's cool. And then this is the die set, this is a stamp set. So they have this pretty stamps that you can put that go in there, and some pretty holiday tree ornaments, and then also straight lines so you can address your envelope. Pretty. I know a lot of us have a hard time writing on the envelope the address. It doesn't turn out so pretty. Well, here's some straight lines to help you with that. All right, so that is one thing I ordered. The next one, I loved this. Now, we had the Christmas rose bouquet, and that was what I did my Christmas cards with. So this is very similar, but it's autumn. Has a little pumpkin there and some pretty fall leaves. Autumn greetings. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Hello there, friend. And may this season fill your heart and home with the joy of friends and family. And it does have the die, so you don't have to cut this thing out. You can cut it out with the die. And then it's got some cute little pumpkins and wheat and some borders. So all kinds of great stuff. That's Autumn Greetings Bundle. Halloween, I love it. My birthday's in October. I'm a Halloween baby. Well, actually, I was born on the 25th, but that's close enough for me. A spider web embossing folder. This is great for scrapbookers too, so that's fun. This little cute guy. Now, this has a stamp set with, a die cut with it, but I didn't get it. I just like these cute little owls, and it's Halloween and Christmas. So we have Merry Christmas, and he's holding a little package. And these guys have little caps on their head with snow. Owls under the mistletoe. But then here's an owl with a spider and a pumpkin and one like a vampire. So very cute. And then, oh, don't you love these fairies? I fell in love with this cute little witch. So there's no greetings on it, but there's a Christmas angel, and there's a Cupid and a little witch angel. So there we go. And this one, Banner Year. So there is a new banner punch in the catalog. You all who hate doing the flag tails on little 1/2 inch strips or 3/4 strips or 1 inch strips, there's a new banner punch, and it goes with the Banner Year. This also goes with the banner punch that's in the annual catalog also. So it's all the seasons. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Boo, Happy Haunting, and then these cute little images here. So that's a fun stamp set to have. All right, now these are the 2 bundles that I ordered. I ordered the entire bundles. The first one I did was the plaid. So let me pull that up. And this is awesome. So it's Celebrating Tidings. And we have Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas again. Always grateful, happy haunting, just for you, Merry Christmas. And the die set that goes with this, these are bag tags. So if you're going to do a treat bag and you want some pretty paper, you can cut this out and then fold it over and staple it to the bag that you're filling with treats. It also cuts out the little bats, the hearts, and those. Let me pull the stamp set back out. Whoa! Okay. No, there's not a stamp with it. It's just bats and hearts to add on. Yeah. All right. So that's that. That didn't go with it. It does have this ribbon, this beautiful, let me pull that up for you, a woven ribbon, and this amazing paper. This was my favorite thing in the whole catalog, was this paper. Oh, I am in love with plaid. I don't know if it's my Scottish heritage or, or what, but look at this plaid. Is this not just gorgeous? All plaid. All. Ugh. Absolutely love it. So excited about this plaid paper. All right, so that is the Plaid Bundle. Make sure I got everything else. Okay. I bought, these are not parts of bundles, but I got the metallic gauze ribbon for Halloween cards. It looks like spider webs. Hold on, let me show you. If I can pull it up. Here we go. Isn't that cool? But it could be for Christmas too. I think that would make a pretty Christmas, maybe on a snowflake card or something. So I got that. And then I also got black sparkly ribbon, and that's been in our catalog. And then I got some more of the white crinkle ribbon. And of course I like whites because I can color them any color I want. So those were 3 ribbon sets that were just random, not part of the bundle. Here is the Gilded Autumn Bundle. Oh my gosh. We will start with the stamp set. And so you have, it's very simple. It's got acorns and leaves, wheat, but it comes with these baby punches. So you can punch out the little acorns, the little leaves, and so you can sprinkle them all over your card. So that's fun. And I like the sayings. Have a beautiful day. Hey there, thank you. Life is better with you. My heart is grateful for you. So those are really nice, a really nice stamp set with punch. The next thing, we'll get out the ribbon that goes with this bundle. And there's 2 of them. There's a beautiful woven ribbon and a beautiful metallic ribbon. So those are pretty. And then here's something. They're not mailable. You'd have to put extra postage if you put these acorns on your cards. However, I don't plan on doing that. What I plan on doing is, come on, open. I am going to make the cutest little acorn earrings. Woo! There we go. Can you see that? Okay, pull it up. There. So it has a little hole. I'm going to get the go to the craft store and get some pretty fall colored beads and make some pretty earrings. So that's what I plan on doing with these. Like I said, they're a little heavy and they're really tough. They don't squish at all, and they're bigger than a 1/4 inch. So, well, they're right at a 1/4 inch, but they're, if you put these on a card, you'd have to pay extra postage to send it. But still very pretty. All right, the paper. We love designer paper. And this designer paper has the metallic embossed. And I love when they do that. So isn't that pretty? Here we go. And that's, there we go. I just love it. And these acorns and leaves will punch out with the punches. I love that stripe. And these colors, mint macaron and crumb cake, and that looks like either terracotta tile or Cajun craze. Probably Cajun craze and early espresso. So the colors for the fall this year are really pretty. Oh, aren't those cute pumpkins? Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so that's the designer paper, and because it has the the metallic embossing, it is a little more expensive by itself. It's not $11.50. I forget, $13. I think it's what they charge for these. The papers, designer papers, special. They call it specialty designer papers. One last item, and for those of you who like doing foil sheets. These are not foil sheets. Whoa, these are brushed metal. Okay, so it's a brushed metal, and it comes in the gold and the champagne. It's kind of hard to see with all that light glaring, and the brass. Okay, so it's brushed metal. It's really pretty, and when you run that through with the embossing folder, oh, that's going to make a great, great background. All right, that's it. That's all I ordered. This was just the packaging for my brush, for my metal. I hope you guys liked it. I can't wait for you all to get your catalogs. For those of you who are my customers and you've been ordering with me, your catalogs are in the mail. You should be receiving them in the next few weeks. They do send them slow postage, though, to save on mailing costs. And then those of you who are not on my customer list but would like a catalog, as soon as they come out, I will start taking requests and sending those out to you. So the catalog goes live in August. That was a fun sneak peek. Bye-bye.